In this video, I'm going to be exploring how to make money with a product that I've never looked at before. And it's also in a topic area that I've never even thought about before. But this will work. Here's why. There's this product I found on ClickBank that is in the pet training niche. To be specific, dog training. And just because it's something that you and I haven't made money on yet, well, this product here, Brain Training for Dogs, this unique dog training course, has a gravity of over 101, which means over 101 affiliates have been making sales from this product right here. And we want to be one of them, so let's explore this. So when we click on the sales page here, this is what it looks like. And it's clearly for somebody who has a pet and wants to get their pet to behave better, their dog to behave better. Now, I don't have any experience with dogs, and you don't have to either. All we're going to be doing is help the people who needs a product like this. They have a pet that they would like to help train. And we're simply pointing them in the right direction. The right direction being this sales page. So if you think about it, somebody who has a dog already, but they have a problem and some money to fix the problem. Imagine they stumble upon this page here, where it says things like develop your dog's hidden intelligence to eliminate bad behavior. Talks about why this training is so unique. It drills down into all the possible problems that they have with their pet right now. And unlike you and I, this person is a certified dog trainer. And just so that the potential buyer has an idea of what he or she is getting into, this dog trainer here goes into all of the different modules here that she'll be teaching your customers, as well as some feedback from happy customers. And the reason I'm showing you this is because all we have to do is get people to land on this page. And once they're really interested, they then hit this big instant access button, which would take them to the checkout page here. When they fill out the information here, hit pay now, then you get a percentage of this sale. In case you're wondering how much, hit promote in the ClickBank results, and you'll see that you can earn 75% commission for every customer you refer to this product. Okay, so now here's the fun part. Let's figure out how we can get people on the sales page. And let's do that by putting yourself first in their shoes. One way you're guaranteed to get a lot of views is by doing something like funny dog videos. Now these things get a lot of views. 36 million views just 1 year ago. 1.4 million views, and this is just 4 months ago. Now, if you were to make one of these videos, just like this one, rack up all these views and have the link in the description here to your affiliate product, being this brain training product. And if it's this much views, then even if it's a very small percentage of people who would purchase, you still would make some sales. But if you are looking at this video, then you're probably starting a new YouTube channel to experiment with an option like this. And if you think about it, not a whole lot of people who are looking at funny dog videos may be looking to try and figure out how to train their dog. So what I think is this: if you're looking to create a new YouTube channel to do something like this and still make some sales in the very early stages, then you want a more targeted audience. And to get a more targeted audience, I think we need to first find people who are already interested in dog training. And when they get some value on some free tips, the next logical step is to get a more detailed product where they can really expedite the training on their pet. What I mean are videos like these. It's a free dog training series. I think somebody who would search for a video like this, look at it, there's a higher chance that they would then go into the description, if you direct them to, get more value out of this product here, which in our case, we would be linking to the affiliate product on ClickBank. This one. And you're probably saying that you don't have any dogs or you're not knowledgeable about this. How are you going to make videos about this? Well, I don't know anything about dog training either. I don't even have a dog. But there are already kind people here on YouTube who made videos about dog training and said it's okay to use their videos through the Creative Commons license. And to find videos like that, search for something like training for dogs, hit filters, and make sure the Creative Commons filter is checked here. So now any one of these videos you can download, take clips from these and put them into your own videos. And I say clips because you will definitely not be just using the entire video and posting it. What's the point of that? So what we need are basically ideas for videos. And it could be a combination of YouTube shorts as well as a longer form videos. And you can get those in several ways. By searching for this training for dogs like we just did, filtering for Creative Commons. Look at this top ranking result here. Basic dog training, top 10 essential commands every dog should know. This can be 10 different YouTube shorts, where each of these 10 essential commands can be a separate YouTube short. If we look into this video here, and I'll show you shortly how you can quickly put together a video like this. There's a voiceover, there's some stock footage that you can also get for free on sites like pexels.com. Simply search for dog training. Here there are a lot of photos that you could use and videos that you can download all for free. As well as you can just take clips from these videos because it has a Creative Commons license. Anyway, as they get into the 10 most essential tips, as I said, we can just take one of them. So like this first one here, it says stand. teaching your dog to stand. Now this first tip is from the 51st second and it goes up until the minute and 35th second. So that is less than a minute. We can use that for a YouTube short. Let's see what this looks like. It's just photos, videos, some text on the screen with the commands that you can just record this voiceover and read while it's on the screen. And to make it even easier, you don't even have to have the text on the screen. You can simply have the photos and videos running in the background while you say the text, the different points as to how to get a dog to stand. And that's it. That can be a YouTube short right there. And that is just one idea. And there are other ideas here popping up as to other videos that you could create, other YouTube shorts. And it's the same thing throughout this entire video. Stock footage, photos, instructions on the screen, and that's all. So this one video here, this first video can give us 10 different video ideas at least. So here's how you can create a video like this for free and almost automatically. Let's say we're going with this first one as to how you can teach a dog to stand. Head over to Google and start typing how to teach a dog. Look at this. This is stuff that people are actually searching for. And all of these can be different YouTube videos or YouTube shorts that you can create. And is not even here. As we start typing ST, you get 10 other video ideas right here. And how to teach a dog to stand is right here. So what we can do is just hit that. And you can just visit any one of these links here and grab the instructions right here. Hit copy, and that's it for the research. Now we're going to create the video automatically because that is easier. Of course, you can create the video yourself by downloading all of the different clips, getting the music separately, but this is just way easier. And of course, easier is better. Smarter, it's smarter. And in the description below, I have a link to this. This is InVideo.io. It's an auto video creation tool where you can get started for free with a lot of templates, stock videos, photos, and much more. So sign up with the link below, and once you're done, hit login. Choose text to video. Hit vertical because it's a YouTube short we're going to try at first. Check this out. There are a lot of different templates to choose from. So simply pick a template that you think is suitable. Now the stock footage in it does not have to be what is suitable because that is just an example. Look at the effects that come along in the template, how the text is placed, the background, because we want to make this as quick as possible. For this example, I'm just going with this one. I'll hit use this template. I'll add the headline, how to train your dog to stand. Here's the instructions that we just copied. Now to help the video creation process, I need to separate each of these sentences properly because they're going to be separated onto different scenes in the video, where InVideo will auto-suggest the images and videos. So we want to help that process along to make it even quicker. What you can do is reword the different sentences and reword it accordingly to keep it a little bit unique. And of course, you don't need all of the different steps if you don't think it's applicable. And I'll just do that quickly here. When you're done, hit next, and in just a few seconds, the video will actually be ready for you to finalize. And while that's loading, what you can do is go back to the clickbank site here and make sure and grab your affiliate link for this brain training dogs product. Hit generate hop links, copy your link, and then you can use a link shortener like bit.ly, where you can now copy the short link that you've disguised here. Now the video is ready a little while now, so you can see all of the different sentences were separated into different scenes here. What I like to do is hit the advanced editor. Now this is what a clip looks like so far in the video, and you have to keep in mind that not all of the stock footage that was automatically selected may be suitable. So if you wanted to change this one, you can just come over here, choose image or video. We can keep it simple by hitting images, search for something like dog treat. Like this one here where you can just drag and drop it onto the timeline. We choose to replace it and then there you go. Here's how it looks. And while some of the content in here is free, there are some that you need to be in a premium plan. But using my link in the description below, you do get a discount if you decide to proceed with one of these plans. So once you've done that and you've checked through the entire video and it's good, you then hit download. Once you've created your YouTube channel, hit the create button now, upload video. And one of the most important things here for the YouTube short is the title. Now remember, this is a keyword here that people were actually searching for on Google. So be sure to include this in your title, how to teach a dog to stand. Just like this, and you can add something at the ending like the easy method. Also be sure to add hashtag shorts at the ending, because without that, it will not be categorized as a YouTube short. Now remember that link that we copied from clickbank to the dog training videos? Now we need that to place in the description here. So you paste your link. So add in front of here, #1 dog training system that actually works, or something like that. So after somebody looks at your YouTube short, clicks this link in the description, they're then taken to this page where the certified dog trainer does all of the selling for you. And when somebody actually hits the instant access button, buys this product, that means you make sales as well. And if your YouTube short performed well, then that means more clicks on your link. And to improve the chances of getting more clicks on your link, especially as a brand new channel, I would recommend just making more videos and regularly. And what you should really start doing is combining the YouTube Shorts with longer videos. Now, I didn't talk too much of how you can actually create those longer form videos and how you can edit them from beginning to ending easily. But I do talk about that in this video, where I look at finding content that you can legally use online, downloading them, putting together video, accessing music for free as well, and then re-uploading them to YouTube as now your unique video, where you can then now rank your longer form YouTube videos in search as another means of traffic towards that affiliate link. So find out how to do that over here.